You ever wonder why swords in the Middle Ages had a crossguard and pommel, whereas swords in the Victorian era tended to have baskets? In the Middle Ages, something called armor was heavily used. In the Middle Ages, you would typically have metal gauntlets or even chainmail gauntlets. The crossguard was just designed to aid in protecting getting chopped into. The pommel was actually there for balance because the blades back then were a lot wider and a lot more stout, so you needed to counterbalance in order to bring that point of balance closer to the hand. As better steels came about, allowing swords to be a little bit lighter and thinner, we started seeing more thin, single-edged blades, with some of them double-edged towards the point for thrusting purposes. However, you no longer needed that huge pommel to counterbalance the blade, and you usually weren't wearing armored gauntlets in combat, so you needed more protection to keep your hand from getting shredded by other swords. That's actually what this little catchback here is for. That's called a nardle. That gnarly little critter right there is in case a blade comes down the backside of your sword. That is why these two different guards developed.